Hello everyone. In this video, we will demonstrate how easy it is to install our contact gathering plugin, connect your WordPress site with your Routee account, and make a form to get your customers to opt in to their preferred channels of communication. Start by heading to the plugin section of your WordPress site sidebar. Select Add New and search for Routee Contact Gathering plugin. Click Install Now and then Activate. Now you can see Routee's plugin on your sidebar. Click on it and two fields will appear. Fill in your Routee app ID and Routee app secret and hit Submit. Now your WordPress site is connected to your Routee account and we're ready to create our form. Head to Form Generator on your sidebar under Routee plugin. Simply drag and drop as many checkbox areas as you need. In this example, we will use 8, one for educational and one for informative type of traffic for each of our 4 services: SMS, Viber, email, and voice. You should also add a field for the customer's email and name and surname. Now you can simply save your form. Now the reason that this error appeared is because there was no form of title. Make sure you put a title and then you click Save. By clicking on all forms, you copy the sort code and you paste it in all pages, finding your proper form and paste it. And this is how your customer will see the form. But keep in mind the fields are customizable, so you can choose the design that works best for you. Now let's say we are the customer and let's try and fill this form. The moment we hit Send, a contact is created in our Routee account. Now go to your Routee account and select Contacts on your sidebar. Now select the columns you want to be shown. For example, our opt-in fields. And that's it. You simply promoted the landing page with your form the way we suggested. And now you will maximize your customers' opt-in.